What's going on, everybody? My name is Kells and I smell really good. And I tell you what, guys, I found some really cool stuff at the rack stores. Stick around. Alright, guys, so before we get into today's topic, man, I wanted to say I'm very upset because I had to reshoot this video, man. I actually had a whole vlog shot with my buddy. We went to tons of rack stores. It was like a day in the life type thing. We found cool stuff, all of that, man. I actually lost all the footage, so that's a shame. I had to reshoot this video, so this is just gonna be what I got. I'm upset that that happened, but it is what it is. That kind of stuff happens every now and then. If you guys like fragrance content, please consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the bell so you're notified when I release content. We're gonna go ahead and get right into it. So I was at Ross, okay? I was at Ross, and I've actually been looking for this for a while. This is not a fragrance, but it is a very nice pair of shoes. This is a pair of Jordan 2 lows. As you can see there's the nice Jordan logo. I think these are absolutely gorgeous shoes, personally. I really like these a lot. I know most people like the 1s, people like the 3s, the 4s, everything like that. I do too, but I feel like the 2s are a little slept on. I really like them, especially with that snake skin on there, man. These look absolutely amazing. I was super hyped when I found these. I just had to get them because I've actually been looking for them. Like I said, shout out to my homie Grown Man Style. He makes a lot of rack store content, fragrances, shoes, everything like that. And he's actually the one that made me aware of these are being found at rack stores. I've been looking for months. And I did find a couple at Burlington. They are cheaper at Burlington, by the way. Couldn't find them in my size, though. Got lucky, found these in my size 10.5. They had a size 10, they had an 11. They're at Ross for $74.99, so pretty good price. You can get them cheaper at Burlington for like 60 bucks. That's a really good deal. But I just absolutely love this shoe, man. The colorway is nice. It's got that cream with the white and then that snake skin with that silver in there. These are nice, man. Gonna be one of my daily shoes right here. I absolutely just love these. So definitely go check your Ross. If you're looking for something like this, go check Burlington and Ross because these are popping up, guys. Alright, guys, so the next thing that I found, I did a live first impressions, not live, but I did a first impressions in the original video I shot for this. But man, I've never seen this at a rack store before. It's Nuit Dissy from Issey Miyake, and I had never smelled this, but I'll go ahead and say, man, I like this fragrance. I really do. I was expecting to maybe not like it, but it's a really nice fragrance. It really is. It has like this spicy grapefruit, almost like bubblegummy candy, and like some earthy vetiver going on. It smells really good, to be honest with you. When I first sprayed it, I was talking about it and everything like that, my first impressions. Now that it sat on my skin for a while, it kind of reminds me of a few different fragrances. It gives me a little bit of like that new Polo, that Polo 67 EDP. It gives me a tiny bit of that. I don't know why. It reminds me of that. It has this tart fruitiness in there that reminds me of that. Also, if you smelled Bad Boy Le Parfum from Carolina Herrera, it gives me a little bit of that kind of vibes in there too. But this is a really nice smelling fragrance, man. Had it on, rocking it around the house. I'm getting nice little, subtle whiffs of myself. I feel like it'll be a moderate performer, but it smells damn good. It really does. I like this one a lot. It's a cool bottle. It's got like that kind of like lines or something. The cap is plastic, but it's pretty solid. I know there's a lot of Issey Miyake fans. A lot of people really like this house. I don't have a lot of experience with them. I had the original one, the low Dissy or whatever. I had that one. It was alright, a little old school in my opinion for me, but this one's nice. It is a 75 ml, and I found it at Burlington. I found it at Burlington for $32.99. If you could see that. And it was at 2 of my Burlingtons. I went to both. It was at both of them. There's the box. So definitely go check, man. If you're looking for this fragrance, definitely check it out because they're popping up. $32.99, not bad. It's really a nice fragrance. Kind of leans more towards the spring, summer nights kind of thing. I enjoy it a lot. Alright guys, I know that's a short video. The original one I had was like 20 minutes long because it was a whole vlog and stuff, but happens in life sometimes, I guess. Gotta roll with the punches, right? That footage is gone forever, sadly. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, if you like fragrance content and you're not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing. We're on the road to 3,000. And also, I'm doing a giveaway, so check my short videos on my page. All you have to do is comment who you think's gonna win the March Madness tournament, man. And tell you what, if you want to keep smelling really good, make sure you keep tuning in.